We've got Mr. Rick Hartman here, and I've got something to say for everybody.
Hooray, it's Friday and sunny, and you all look excited and trembly. You already had recess, so that there's just one thing to do, and that's have a virtual assembly. If you were at Sherwood last year, then you have done this before. But it is not the same thing, because Rick always has more. He works in his workshop in scenic North Bend. He builds all sorts of contraptions from beginning to end. His name is Rick Hartman, and he invents toys. Some whirl and twirl, and others make noise. So, welcome to Sherwood. Our assembly has begun. Let's listen to Rick and have us some fun.
Oh my gosh, that tops the rap from last year. I'm stunned. That is worthy of Dr. Seuss. Thank you so much.